How to sign out of YouTube on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So what you can simply do is first of all launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down. Tap on apps and then select on manage apps. As you tap on the manage apps option, simply tap on the search bar at the top and search for YouTube application. You can just directly search for the YouTube application and the app will pop up at the bottom. So select on that, and here you can see the option of clear data. So simply tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. So this will delete all the app data, files, settings, accounts, databases and cache. So you just have to tap on OK. And as you tap on OK, now you can just go back and launch YouTube, and you'll be able to sign out of YouTube account on Android directly. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.